Hi guys, welcome to the next Blender tutorial. So today we're going to be doing some fruit. I want to make an apple with you today. I think we will start with, go to add, mesh, and then we're going to go to circle. A little bit of a weird thing to start with, but we're going to be using some of the sculpting tools to make it a little bit irregular as well. So it kind of it fits the idea of an apple. So first and foremost, let's go to the edit mode, and also we want to change our render engine to cycles if you've not already. So press A to select everything. We're going to start with a flat base to begin with, and then we'll come back to that. So F to fill, E to extrude. Just 1 second. My dog's trying to get into my room. I'm going to go to, so we're going to go S to scale outwards, E to go upwards, S to scale outwards, and the idea is that you want kind of a circular kind of shape. E to go up, E's just gone downstairs, so that's fine. Scale, usually I like to keep the dog out of my room whilst I'm doing a recording, because he runs around like a mad hatter and knocks over all of my lights and stuff, so it's just nice to have a little bit of a break, and he gets a break too. So E, you just want to make this a circular object, basically. And then once we get to the top, we're just going to, apples are generally more flatter on the top, so you want to go a little bit more flat, and we want to extrude, scale, and then we want to just go down a little bit, extrude, scale, and this is where the stalk's going to sit. Just scale that inwards a little bit more. Oh, actually, you know what? I can extrude that again, and then we scale. Okay, so we have a basic shape, and then this bottom part here, obviously we can't leave it just flat like that. So we're going to go E for extrude, S for scale, just bring around the bottom of the apple, just scale and extrude as much as you need to, E for extrude, scale, and then we're going to do the same with the bottom that we did with the top. So extrude again, scale inwards, just bring that down, extrude, scale inwards, bring that down a little bit more so that it's got a kind of appley